Hi, you want to try coloring our first one together? Let's see how a pen works. Wow, it's very vibrant. It's actually good quality. You can be light with it. It didn't need to press like how I was pressing. Yeah, very vibrant. It looks wet and inky. Didn't transfer to my finger. Sorry if my hands look funny today. Not there. Doing a lot of manual stuff today. Let's see if other colors will bleed into it. What color should we try? Pink? Green? Blue? Let's try pink. I'm gonna make some Z's over top of the yellow. Some zigzags. I love this smile. Switching into it. It doesn't catch in some spots. What color skin do we have? Blue? Let's try a marker. Let's start with red. Make my red skin. It's very deep red. Maybe we'll just outline them with the red. Let's try another color. Want all the smoke like a vape pen, holding brother chasing. Oh, that song. This blue looks funny. Like, I don't know why he's painted all blue up like that. Oh, it looks like it bled a little bit, maybe. Let's hope I don't get it on my dress. Let's make his pants blue. Serafina. Hey, baby cat, don't scrape me. Ow, ow! My ankle's getting attacked by a kitty. The quality of this marker is low. Like it feels like it's kind of dried up. I hear you, baby cat. Where are you going? Hi. Hi, I love you. You're wonderful. You know, I also quit a certain kind of tarot reading this weekend, and immediately I started getting different ones pop up with my feed, which was curious because I had just seen a bunch of people complaining that the algorithm's all messed up. But it responded to me hitting, don't show again to items for once. It usually doesn't really respond to that very clearly. It looks like he's going to the pool. They look like bathing shorts. I'm not impressed by that marker. Let's try crayon. Let's do his shoes dark blue. Hard to get out of there. Very waxy. You know, I've seen a lot of people, let's see, does it blend? Not really. I've seen a lot of people do stuff like putting a hairdryer onto their crayon pictures to get the colors to blend out all the way. More like a pastel. I got pastels actually right to the left of me because I was going to do a painting. And ended up not doing it. I don't know why I ended up not doing it. I think I was just complaining. This was yesterday. I love his little fingers. He's so cute. I always wonder if there's been a crossover with Sega where Robotnik meets these mushrooms. I love Dr. Robotnik. Oh my god, the new version of Dr. Robotnik. I love him so much. I love him so much. You don't understand. Let's give him some sand in the background. Hi, little cat. If one walks by, close enough, I'll show you. In case you're curious. They're a month old. And started eating solid foods. I was worried. Caught one eating cat food with strawberry. It was milkshake. And the milkshake was the smallest one. She was born first. She was the smallest. And now she's actually the biggest. Just after eating food for a few days. You know, I went to a beach, you know, that little past Monmouth. I put up a video about it. Or I put up a video of the sun. Biggest sun I ever saw on the way home. And that beach had every single little piece of the beach, the pebbles and stuff, the sand itself, was a bunch of those magic crystals you buy at one of those witches shops. I was really impressed by that. Let's see if this marker is any better than the one we used for the pants. Maybe we can use it for this guy. What you doing, lady cat? Everybody okay? So this one's a lot more wet, but it's almost too wet. I've never really been a marker artist. I have paint markers to the left of me where I have the, what you call it? The pastels. Not part of this kit, of course. They were ones from Blick, a bunch of a Sargent brand. And they were expensive. But I never really use them. I bought some for my niece too, I think. I'm not a fan of these markers. rare time I've ever been a fan of markers from some kit, actually. Let's see about filling it in with this pen. I'm over here smiling, thinking about that beach trip. I had so much fun. If perhaps you're like, why so quiet? Just smiling. I haven't smiled in a while. Probably haven't smiled since the beach trip. You might be thinking, but Ninquai, I know you so well. You love to smile. Yeah. Well, gotta have something to smile about, don't you? Don't just smile for free. It's crazy talk. I absolutely don't believe in any part of the narrative that you should be spiking your own happiness just to be happy. I think that's false. Very false reality to build for yourself. Okay, I got 7 minutes left of recording time. Let's see if we can finish them in time. Let's see, red on the jacket. Do we have a red pen? We got a pink pen and a light pink pen. Let's use light pink. Oh no, the light pink is what we use to make the zigzags. Let's do something else. Let's use the dark pink. It is a hot pink, honey. That part that got on the black line is just let me wipe it off. That's good. You know, my cat keeps wanting to overeat. If you have any tips about that, let me know. She screams and screams if I don't let her. Sometimes I just let her scream so she doesn't become sick. But I don't want her to be uncomfortable. Maybe, because I tried making her stuff from scratch. She didn't like it as much as she liked canned processed crap. He needs a skin tone. Green skin? No. Purple skin? Let's do purple skin. Cute. It's coming out weird though. Something's wrong with it. Yeah, something's wrong with this pen. I refuse to lick a pen the way folks do on TV to make them work. Kind of liked his weird stripes here. He's so cute. I don't believe he's wearing a shirt. I think he's just wearing a vest. He is at the beach after all. Hey! Get down there! Lady Berry was trying to go dig in the food bag like I was just talking about. She already bit holes through it. I'm gonna have to put it in a glass jar and hope she doesn't break the glass down. I also could maybe get one of those auto dispensers, but I'd have to figure out how to dose it. I need one that has dosages rather, I guess is what I'm saying. I like these little stripes. I like these little stripes. Perfect. Here's how he looks now. Sheesh. Oh no, I got some on his teeth. Now he's got weird gums. This is actually pretty fun. Have you colored anything in a while? I really need somebody to like make one of these for Sonic. If you have one for Sonic or you want to make one for Sonic and send it to me, please send it to me, yo. I need that, John. I know there's somebody screaming, get those gaps! Get those white spots! I'm trying. I'm sorry, gang. I'm not sorry. I ain't apologizing for nothing. Yo, I should give him a handlebar mustache. You about to get an upgrade, broski. Upgrade. We got a green hat. I have a green hat. Let's do a green crayon. We got this blue. Oh, that's definitely teal or something. We got a straight green. Let's just use that. Go, I'm running out of time. Okay, do we want to do pink pencil or pink marker for the spots? I mean pink crayon or pink marker. Let's do marker. You know, one of my favorite artists uses marker. You can find him online. His name is Mike Miyagi online. Like Miyagi-Do, Jiu-Jitsu, whatever. So I forgot this paper was thin. Some of it's bleeding through. Here it is so far. We're just going to fill this in with yellow. You can put the caps into the back of it. You can put the caps into the back of it. I'm gonna blend this yellow into this orange with this other